Hi, my name's Josh and welcome to my spare room. I'm from ATM Stake Pools and I'm going to show you how to download, install, restore wallets or create a new wallet and delegate to ATM1, ATM Stake Pools or any other pool for that matter. So first of all, let's get to the download. First of all, open up Google. Type in daedaluswallet.io and press enter. That will take you to the Daedalus Wallet website and you want to click download to download the wallet. Once that's loaded up, I'll be doing it on a Mac, so I'll be clicking download Daedalus for the Mac. And once that's downloaded, we'll open the package. Now, once the package has been installed and you open Daedalus for the first time, you'll see this screen. Now, get used to this screen because you're going to see it a lot, especially with 2.0.1. But that will be fixed over time, so don't worry. Once you've opened your wallet for the first time, this is the screen you're going to see. Now, you create a wallet if you're transferring from Bittrex or Binance, something like that. But remember to keep your phrase, but we'll talk about that in a minute. We will be restoring a wallet. Now, we will be restoring from the Byron era. Remember, we're in the Shelley era. So we're restoring a Byron era wallet. Now, you click on that to click on the Daedalus wallet. And like I said, it's a Byron legacy wallet with the 12-word phrase. So you click continue. And then you start to enter your 12-word phrase. Once you've entered your phrase, your wallet will then need to sync to the blockchain, which takes for ages. But then it will start to look something like this. You can see I have the Byron wallet and all the transactions that have gone along with that wallet. When you do this for the first time, you will be prompted to create a new Shelley wallet and then transfer the funds from your Byron wallet to your Shelley wallet. But then we can get to delegating your ADA. So this is where you navigate on the left-hand side, the middle button, then click Stake Pools. We want to stake with ATM Stake Pools, which is ATM1. So we type that in the search bar and there you go. From here is click on the icon and then it's delegate to this pool and it will just want you to confirm. Then you click continue, job done. And there you have it. You have delegated to ATM Stake Pools, but you can delegate to any pool that you wish. But please do subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot more content to come. In later videos, we'll be talking about our mission, our purpose behind the pool, which is buying and installing Cardano ATMs, or if you're in the UK, cash machines. We want to increase adoption by making it readily available to everyone. So by delegating to us, it's funding this project and making it become a reality. So I'll see you soon. Thank you for joining me in my spare room. Thank you.